Now, if you're thinking about buying a home in the Charlotte Metro in 2024, then this video is for you. Guys, my name is Sean Gerald, and I am a native Charlottean, probably one of the few native Charlotteans you're going to see if you've been watching YouTube and watching some of the agents out there. There are some great ones, but most of them are not from Charlotte like myself. Yeah, that's a shameless plug. I'm giving you one. But today, guys, we're going to be talking about Zillow's updated market forecast for the U.S. And more in particular, what's going on right here in my backyard in the Charlotte, North Carolina, and the greater Charlotte Metro. So if you've been keeping up with market trends and market forecasts for 2024, you may already know that Zillow was not anticipating that we were going to see any type of increase in home prices in the United States in 2024. As a matter of fact, they said a big fat whopping zero. Well, yesterday, they updated that forecast. They updated that forecast to show that they believe that home prices in the U.S. are going to actually increase about 3.5%. Now, the crazy thing is that actually falls right in line with what we see right here in the Charlotte Metro, which, by the way, Zillow predicted that the Charlotte Metro, Charlotte, North Carolina in particular, would be one of the hottest markets in the country. As a matter of fact, they ranked us number 7 in markets that are going to actually boom in 2024. And we can actually see that happening already. Builders are giving great incentives right now, but we do know that as the interest rates come down, some of those incentives are going to change. They're going to get rid of some of those incentives, as a matter of fact, and some of them are already making slight changes to their offerings as we speak. Home sellers in this market, this is definitely a seller's market. So get this. Our average sales price for the Charlotte Metro over the last 12 months was right around $490,000. That was a slight uptick year over year, right around 3.4%. Now, the median sale price, get this, the median sale price was actually right around $390,000, which was actually down about 3.5%. This just shows you the diverse marketplace that we're in here in Charlotte. We've got very low inventory. I'll just put it that way. The best homes are getting the best buyers. So some sellers are putting their homes on the market. They're still asking top dollar, but some of these homes haven't been painted. They've got some deferred maintenance on them that needs to be addressed. And in some cases, people just don't have the money to be able to get those homes fixed. So those sellers are seeing that their homes are on the market for a very long time. But those sellers that are taking their time, actually investing some money and bringing their houses back up to date, getting those bedrooms together, updating those kitchens and bathrooms, the things that are typically most important to buyers, those homes are actually getting, in some cases, multiple offers. As a matter of fact, a good friend of mine whom you guys know just listed a home out in Waxhaw, beautiful neighborhood called Wren Creek, put that house on the market for right around $890, and they had multiple offers on this home and under contract in about 3 days. Go figure. So there are homes out there to sell. There are buyers out there to buy, but the buyer pool is small, and the great homes that are out there available to sell are even less. So what does that mean for you? You may be able to find a fixer-upper or a home that maybe needs a little bit of repair and get you a great deal in this marketplace. Yes, as I mentioned, rates have come down some, but not enough where we are starting to see buyers. Listen, when we came out of COVID, right, it was a buyer frenzy. People were going absolutely nuts trying to get a home. Well, in this marketplace here, I am seeing a huge uptick, actually, and people wanting to list their homes and really get involved in the spring selling season that's upon us right now. My buyers, most lenders are starting to see an uptick in applications as well. But here's the challenge, though. Interest rates are still slightly high enough where buyers are not able to get approved for the types of homes that they see themselves in. So let's take a look real quick at this video. Let's see what Zillow and the Charlotte market has forecast for you, and I'll be right back.
The revised Zillow forecast not only has broad implications for the U.S. housing market as a whole, but also holds particular significance for specific regions, such as Charlotte, North Carolina. This section explores how the forecast could impact various stakeholders with a focus on the Charlotte housing market. Impact on home buyers. Nationwide and particularly in Charlotte, the forecast suggests a competitive market for home buyers. In regions like Charlotte, known for their growing economies and desirable living conditions, A 3.5% increase in home prices could mean a more challenging environment for buyers, especially first-time homeowners. Buyers might face higher prices and increased competition, necessitating careful financial planning and market research. Consequences for sellers. Sellers, on the other hand, could benefit from the forecasted rise in home prices. In Charlotte, sellers may see increased interest in their properties and potentially higher selling prices. This could be an opportune time for homeowners in Charlotte considering selling their property, as the market conditions seem favorable for getting a good return on their investment. Considerations for real estate investors. Investors in the real estate market, particularly in burgeoning markets like Charlotte, should consider the implications of the forecasted price increase. The potential for capital appreciation could make real estate investments more attractive. However, investors should also be wary of the risks and conduct thorough market analysis and due diligence. Charlotte, North Carolina housing market. Charlotte has been experiencing a robust real estate market, characterized by strong demand and a growing population. The upward trend forecasted by Zillow aligns with this ongoing growth. Factors such as Charlotte's thriving job market, quality of life, and relative affordability compared to other major U.S. cities make it an attractive market for both buyers and sellers. However, the forecasted price increase could also intensify issues related to affordability and availability, particularly for first-time buyers or those with limited budgets. Broader economic implications. For policymakers and economists, understanding the localized impact of such forecasts is crucial for developing strategies and policies that support sustainable growth and address affordability challenges, especially in rapidly growing urban areas like Charlotte.
As you can see, there is still a lot of opportunity for you in the Charlotte market, whether you are on the buy side or the sell side. For my buyers, we can pick out some really great homes for you that have been on the market for a while and negotiate a great deal for you. As a matter of fact, just got one of my buyers a deal where we got about $30,000 off the price of that home. Seller didn't want to do it, but we were very strong and firm, knew they'd been on the market for a while, and we were able to negotiate a great deal for my buyer. On the seller side, if you make some of the necessary changes that your real estate agent is asking you to do, painting all those multicolored rooms, changing out that tattered carpet, doing some touch-up paint, possibly redoing the kitchen and the bathrooms to really bring your home up to what buyers are looking for, that small pool of buyers that you're going to be working with are looking for, then there's likelihood that you can actually get top dollar for your home, and in some cases still get above your asking price. My name is Sean Gerald, guys. Again, I'm here locally in Charlotte, North Carolina. We represent the entire Charlotte metro, Raleigh, Greensboro, Fayetteville, parts of South Carolina as well. If you've got a real estate need, give me a call at 704-340-3822. Here at Lifestyle International Realty, guys, we've got about close to 100 agents that work with us. So we are bound to make sure that we serve you and serve you properly. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Give me a call and comment below, too, about what you think is happening in the real estate market. Hope you have a great day, and Happy New Year. I'll talk to you guys soon.